A lot of people don't know that there are 3 ways that you can make macarons, and they all involve making different types of meringue. So today I want to show you how to make a Swiss style meringue. And this one is unique because you don't have to let your egg whites come to room temperature, and the egg whites are cooked with the granulated sugar. Let me show you how to make this style of macaron. We're gonna start by adding egg whites and then some granulated sugar to your stand mixer, along with some cream of tartar, which just helps to stabilize the meringue. Okay, next we're gonna put the pot on a double boiler so the water is simmering, but it's not too hot. And then you just wanna whisk everything together until it reaches 100 degrees Fahrenheit or 38 degrees Celsius on an instant read thermometer. You'll definitely need this. And you can see that the mixture starts to get a little bit opaque as it continues to cook. Okay, so we're at 100, which means it's time to move it over to the mixer, and then we can start whipping it. The whole goal when you're adding it to the mixer is to get it to stiff peaks. So once I'm there, I'll show you what that looks like, and that's basically how you make the perfect Swiss meringue for macarons. So once you have whipped your meringue for about 6 to 8 minutes, depending on your mixer, I usually use around a speed 8 on my KitchenAid. You're going to get these stiff peaks. This is exactly what your meringue should look like. It will be thick. It will have these straight peaks that stand up. You can even see all these like little stiff peaks on the whisk. And this is how you make perfect Swiss meringue. If you need more tips, I have lots of different recipes and guides on my website for free, and I also have a paid course if you really want to dig into the science and all of the nerdy stuff of making macarons, including this Swiss meringue method.